Meaning of firefly.
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 Firefly. A firefly is a type of insect that is bioluminescent, meaning it can produce light from within its body. They are also known as lightning bugs. Fireflies typically use their light to communicate with each other and to attract mates during mating season. They are found in various parts of the world, including North and South America, Europe, and Asia. Some firefly species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and light pollution. In popular culture, fireflies are often associated with magical and romantic themes.